I got my hat from Marcus Crawford from the Idaho Quadcopter channel. So here we are out here at Beaver. Wow. Literally, you could boil your brains out here. Okay, trust me. Trust me, it's boiling. Okay. There goes some skiers. They're not boiling, but they will be when they get out. So I'm going to go up under this bridge over here and get some photos. Here's a little spot you can go down if you're willing to risk life and limb getting down here. You know, old geezers like me don't need to be messing around with this shit. Okay, so let's get down here low. Oh God, I may never get back up. I seen some kids down here a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, of course, that's why you see all the litter, okay? Because the kids were, and so they climb up this, these, I don't know, whatever these things are in the tree. They swing on this rope and swing out into the river. Which I will not do at this time. That thing looks bungee cords and yeah, nylon rope and all kinds of crap. Some makeshift stuff there. It looks like some Gilligan's Island stuff up there. Okay, so everybody's having fun on the 4th. Well, they had a fire going out here. Okay, so now I got to get back up here. It looks very easy. Yeah, going up is a lot easier than going down was, that's for sure. Yeah, that was a piece of cake there. Going down, there's a couple of hairy steps. Now, this thing here leans like crazy, okay? That part there is flat, okay? But this part is like on a grade, big time. I mean, I can imagine how many people falling off this thing. Okay, they need to level this thing out a little bit, okay? Put some pylons in the front of there and hold it up, because it's leaning pretty good, man. Because I see people over here, they come out here and fish on this thing, you know. So I'm sure somebody casted something one time and went and did a header right into the damn water. Believe me, that's happened. Trust me. There's another nice railroad bridge over there.